Hello, today in the take a look like a Duplo. Not the first animal in cooked raw face and product pieces. Next animal in 100 piece and the next animal piece and the face. Last animal and 100 piece collectible trouble and the flower. Now in collectible it's a the farm and the piece Duplo in collectible piece on the colliding body. Here's the bucket. Here's the box. And we have the door. And the first one, Duplo, trouble, and peace. In pieces. The instruction. The avatar paid in piece. In bag. Pieces. In bag with the pieces. And trouble. Excellent piece. And now in our trouble and review in the trouble in the lightsaber piece. Angleable mean cat piece and trouble correctable in cricket piece and no trouble in piece and all stick pieces. The avatar is the world racers and trouble credible in pieces. Engine truck. And now deep trouble collectible on the piece. If we look at the we're all the animals. Yeah. In piece. In own pieces. Nice little SpongeBob in piece and from Crubble the team. SpongeBob. And oh no, SpongeBob's weapons. The World Racer and proper control touch for Peter. And the mission model quadruple piece. And now, and to continue the power change. New and incredible, and a change it in piece. Plain butcher, review, animal pieces, equal change piece. And critical piece, enable power, and incredible piece. In the door, and yeah, and third piece, incredible picture, and the visible pieces on both bun on inscription booklet pieces, and power to change in Pokemon in probable culture, and in the instruction booklet, the avatar instruction booklet, and those 7 pages. Yeah, in bunny, and take a look at the packaging and on the box and pieces. And in the box, in the back, and the baby's feature, and incredible hand piece, ching piece in power, and go by. Thanks you in the for powers. Thanks you for watching.